Good morning, children. This is Shashi here, and we are going to study Maths chapter 3. We are going to continue chapter 3. Okay, so in chapter 3, exercise 3a, already we have discussed question number 1 and 2. Now, today we are going to discuss question number 3. Okay, that by what list number should the given number be multiplied to get a perfect square number? In each case, find the number whose square is the new number. Okay, so before coming to these questions, I would like to discuss same question with one simple example. With one simple example I'll show, then I'll come to this question. Okay, so same number, if I'll ask you that instead of those big numbers, large numbers, I'll take small number 18. That 18 should be multiplied by what number? 18 is not a perfect square, but it should be multiplied by what number so that it will become a perfect square. Okay, so first of all, for finding that, we have to do the prime factorization. So 2 9s are 18, then 3 3 is a 9. So 18 is equal to, we are getting 2 into 3 into 3. So overall what we are getting, 2 into 3 means 3 square. So clearly you can see here that 3 we are getting in square, but 2 we are not getting in square. So 18 is not a perfect square. 18 is not a perfect square, but if we'll multiply 2 and 1 extra 2, if we'll multiply, then we can get this one as what? This will become 2 square. So 2 square will get, and it will become a perfect square. Okay, so 2 square into 3 square. So overall we can write 2 into 3 square. Okay, so 2 into 3 square means how much? So we'll get how much? 6 square. Okay, so 6 square means 36. So by what number we are multiplying so that it is becoming a perfect square? So this extra 2 we have multiplied. So by what number 18 is multiplied? So 18 is multiplied by what number? So extra 2 we have multiplied. So this 2 and this 2 has become 2 square. Okay, so this extra 2 we have multiplied. So 2 is the number which is multiplied in 18, then it has become a perfect square. Perfect square of which number? Of 6. It is becoming 36 now, that is 6 square. Okay, so this way you have to do the rest of the questions. So now come to question number 3 1. 3675, this number 3675 should be multiplied by what number so that it will become a perfect square? So we'll see by prime factorization. So what is your question? 3675. Okay, okay, so if you'll do the prime factorization of 3675, you'll get 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. Okay, so this much you are going to get. That means this 5 into 5 you are getting 5 square, 7 into 7 you are getting 7 square, but 3 is not in square, so this is not a perfect square. So if we'll multiply here one more 3, then this 3 will also will get in 3 square. So overall we'll get 3 square into 5 square into 7 square. So by what number we have to multiply to make it a perfect square? By 3. Okay, so 3 we have to multiply. So overall it will become 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. So overall 3 into 5 into 7 whole square, and 3 into 5 15, 15 into 7 105. So overall we'll get 105 square. Okay, So this is your solution. Now come to question number 2. 2156. This is not a perfect square. By what number it should be multiplied to make it a perfect square? Again we'll do the same thing. We'll do the prime factorization of 2156. So if you'll do the prime factorization of 2156, you'll get 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 11. So this 2 into 2 you are getting 2 square, 7 into 7 you are getting 7 square, and 11 is alone here. 11 is not in square. To make it a square, again one more 11 we have to multiply, then only it will become 11 square. So 11 is the number which we should make it to make it a perfect square. So 2 square into 7 square into 11 square. 11 we have to multiply to make it a perfect square. Now overall it will become 2 into 7 into 11 whole square. So 2 into 7 how much? 14. 14 into 11 will get 154. So overall we are getting the new number, that is 154 square. Okay, so this way you can so in the same way you can solve the rest of the questions. Okay, first so rest of the questions you can solve in the same manner. Okay, then tomorrow we'll discuss question number 4. Okay, so see you in the next class. Thank you.